NanoflowX, advanced nano coatings to gain tactical advantage. Combat against water damage, humidity, dust, and corrosion. Our nano coatings are engineered to make electronics more reliable and durable. Quick and easy application. Simply spray entire board or dip for 10 seconds and apply heat at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Get IP68 certified protection. Maintain 100% combat readiness. Makes for reliable communication. Apply on drones, missiles, laptops, robotics, sensors, VR goggles, and more. Certified by world-renowned laboratories. Testings performed include the following below. Counter against e-waste. Increase sustainability. With advanced nano coatings by NanoflowX. Nano coating the future of warfare.